Hello! So we are here today for a review of the Super Tinker Victorinox. So 91mm knife. In length and in thickness we have 17mm. And the weight is about 84 grams. And we have here 14 functions. So for the box it's here, so it's 1.4703. So we go through the tools. We have here the big blade. Then we have the small blade. Next we have the scissors. Victorinox scissors. Really good. For me, it's the best. We have the can opener, bottle opener. At each side we have a flathead screwdriver, a small one here and a bigger here. We also have wire stripper right here. And on this side you have the Phillips screwdriver. Then we have here the hook, multi-purpose hook. And we have the rimmer here, really sharp. We have also tweezers. And the toothpick. So that's it. So not really thick, easy to put in your pocket. You have all you need. I'd say you have the basics: 2 blades, can, bottle opener, and the scissors. So that's it. Then here you have the Phillips screwdriver instead of the corkscrew, but it's really basic. And yes, a good knife. Depends on what you're looking for. I used it. It's a good knife. The blades are fine, like always with Victorinox. Really sharp, and the scissors too. So on this one we don't have the wood saw, so not the best one for me, because I really like the wood saw. I use it often when I go hiking, stuff like that. I like to have a wood saw, or when I go walking in the woods, in the forest or anything. It's really interesting to have a wood saw. So not the best one if you need the wood saw, but anyway, it's a good knife. So that's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, you can hit the subscribe button. You can put a thumbs up if you liked it too, and see you next time.
calm before the storm. Things aren't as they